Let's go right to the point on how to install Python 3. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website, python.org. Select Downloads and choose your operating system. For me, it's Windows. Wait for the download to finish, then double-click the installer file. Follow the prompts. Check Add Python to Path, then follow my steps. Click Install Now. Wait for installation to complete. It takes 1 to 2 minutes. To verify installation, you can open Command Prompt, then type the following command, Python, version. You should see Python 3, 13.3, done. Python is now installed and ready for coding. Like and subscribe for more guides like this.